Hello everyone, myself Malleshwari Vasant Vadapallu and I am student of G Siddharth English Academy in Nanded. I am guided by Naimurthy sir. Today I am going to speak about my mother. My mother name is Nandini Vasant Vadapallu. She has the 3 daughters and 2 sons. Everyone feels that my mother is the greatest in the world. I also feel like that. My mother ungraduated but she is a very intelligent. She can speak Telugu, Marathi, and Hindi. She is a hard working. She is fair. My mother wakes up early in the morning at 5 a.m. She is an independent girl. I love to so much my mother. I am very grateful to my teacher. He was giving me a chance to present my voice in my mother. Thank you all of you. Thank you for watching this video.